Hey guys, we'll put a to-do list together to achieve before the end of the year. What do you think, guys? All good?
Good to go.
All good.
That's good.
Okay, excellent. Let's crack on with it and get these tasks done.
That's it.
How the heck are we going to do all this?
Hey James, you got time for a catch-up?
Absolutely.
Right, so James, looking at these numbers here, we shouldn't have to make any movements over the break.
Okay, so your stocks are good. We're ready to go. We're looking to have some skeleton staff through on your team.
Okay. Yep.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah. No, that shouldn't be a problem at all.
Are those drinks good?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they make me go fast.
Really? How fast?
Yeah, super fast.
Okay, man.
Super fast. Super fast.
Thanks to the energy drinks, we got them all done on time. Now, one last thing to do. A big thanks to our customers, end users and suppliers. We appreciate your ongoing support. It's been a fun year for all of us and your loyalty is appreciated. Now, from the 22nd December through to the 8th of January, we will be closed, bar a few skeleton crew we have on that first week of January to get out any urgent orders that you may have for us. Once again, enjoy your break, have a great holiday, and we'll see you again in the new year. Thank you.